I'm picturing certain nights in my own family where maybe it's been a busy few weeks and inertia has taken over. And by inertia, I mean the proximity of a device to a nose. And I come in as dad and say, all right, it's going to be a family night. I want to hang out with you guys and I'm excited.
Right.
And we've set the table for some time together. And then I get the eye roll or I'm feeling like, oh no, I'm torturing my kids by making them spend time with me.
Right.
Someone in a scenario like that, can you give us some wisdom to navigate that moment?
A lot of it depends on how old your child is.
Sure.
Having a sophomore in high school is way different than having a second grader.
Yeah.
So
Second grader complies.
Yeah. Usually, hopefully. Right. I think that one of the things is, especially when the child is younger, is being a parent. I know it sounds but be the parent, and not from a forcing perspective. It's like, okay, so we're gonna have this much time for screen time, and we have this much time for non-screen time, and here's some of the things that we're gonna do, and then just kind of try to set that as early as possible.
It's good.
But then as the kids get older, the idea is that that time, whatever is done in that time, doesn't have to be something that is determined by the parent. Especially as the kids are getting older. Hey, kind of powwow if you have more than one child, or one child if that's what you have, and say, what would you like to do? What are some of the things that you think would be fun, or that would be interesting, or places that you might want to go? Because when they have a voice in it, it's a lot more, there's a lot better chance that it's going to be successful because it's something that they're looking forward to. So I think it's kind of like, you want to be able to have a mindset where you change it from the I have to do this to the I get to do this. That may take a little bit of time,
Sure.
But almost always it involves communication. It's like, okay, what are some things that you would like to do?